All right, Namaskar, Khushamadid, Sat Sri Akal, Swagatam, Suswagatam, Madhya Vanakam. I'm your host, Ridhima, and I extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you to this platform, which is aimed at augmentation of creativity, multiplication of imagination, resulting into an abundance of innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, before we go ahead, can we give a big round of applause to all the ideators and curators which we just witnessed in this videos? I think their passion, their commitment to create ideas that can shape the future was very visible, was very conspicuous. Welcome to Smartathon 2020 Day 2. This maverick has given us quotes like, don't let the noise of others drown your inner voice. That's quote number one. So, audience, if you can figure out who I'm talking about, who is the maverick I'm talking about, please participate and put your responses in the chat box because we want to create a sense of excitement here. Creativity is about connecting things. And you know what, Anushri, this reminds me of this very promising and compelling campaign that he actually championed in the year 1997. And that campaign and the narrative go like this. He said, here's to the crazy ones, the misfits, the rebels, the troublemakers, the round pegs in the square holes, the ones who see things differently. They are not fond of rules. Quote them, disagree with them, glorify or vilify them about the only thing you can't do is ignore them because they change things, they create, they heal, and simplicity. And I really want to know from you, Anushri, that what's the secret sauce of the innovation which happens at a breakneck speed? It's time to call on our virtual stage the panel of idea number 4, which will be presented by Surajit Chatterjee and Saroj Kar. Their idea title is 2G WCL Analysis Bot, which is rule-based. While the curators have worked very hard to give shape to their ideas, it's your responsibility to actually vote for them, like them. How can you do that? You're going to see a QR code being shared with you. Access that QR code by clicking a picture and using a camera that can actually scan the QR code. Or you could alternatively use applications like Paytm. The responsibility of making their ideas count rests on your shoulders. But Shari, I saw your expression on the video. You were singing with so much sincerity. I couldn't imagine that you would smile and laugh so much. So hats off you. You sang really well. And on this note, we have seen the vocal power of Team Ericsson. We have seen the athletic power of Team Ericsson. Anushri, I think now it's time to see the dancing prowess of people at Ericsson. So can I request for us to play the AV for Dance Challenge? As you were speaking, I felt like you are sitting next to me and conveying your idea. And it almost felt like you're going to book the next ticket, go to Neeraj, meet him and convince him on your idea. Your energy is too contagious. I thought I'll acknowledge you for that. With this, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the culmination and closure of Smartathon 2020. And as we conclude today's session, I want to leave you all with another amazing and profound quote stated by Steve Jobs, who said that simple can be harder than complex because to arrive at simplicity, you have to work really hard to get your thinking clean. But in the end, it's worth it. Because once you reach there, you can move mountains. And I'm not saying all this because it's mentioned in my script. I'm saying this because I witnessed some very phenomenal and path-breaking ideas which have the potential to make the life of end users so simple. And it truly highlights the intellectual curiosity of each and every one of you who presented their ideas with so much boldness, with so much conviction. And we are sure you must have gone through your own set of complexity. Thank you so much, guys. This is your host, Ridhimavali, signing off.